lẹ́yìn Jésù kò sẹ́nìkan. Ọba mímọ́ lọ́ba tẹ́mi ń sìn. Lẹ́yìn Jésù kò sẹ́nìkan. Alágbára mo mọ orúkọ rẹ̀. Lẹ́yìn Jésù kò má sẹ́nìkan. Ọba mímọ́ lọ́ba tẹ́mi ń sìn nígbà gbogbo lójoojúmọ́. Lẹ́yìn Jésù kò má sẹ́nìkan. Alágbára mo mọ orúkọ rẹ̀. Lẹ́yìn Jésù ní mímọ́.
Lẹ́yìn Jésù kò sẹ́nìkan.
Ọba mímọ́ máa ní.
Ọba mímọ́ lọ́ba tí wọ́n ń sìn.
Lẹ́yìn Jésù.
Lẹ́yìn Jésù kò sẹ́nìkan.
Alágbára gíga ni o.
Alágbára mo mọ orúkọ rẹ̀.
Jésù olùtọ́jú ènìyàn. Alágbára gíga 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 lọ́run àti láyé bàbá mi mímọ́. Òdì kan gbére níjà ọlọ́wọ́ gbọgbọrọ tí ń gbọmọ rẹ̀ lọ fi ayé. Arìn máa tọ̀ka lẹ́yìn ìgbérin lẹ́yìn aṣòdodo bàbá mímọ́. Sára rẹ̀ lọ rẹ̀. Bàbá olùtọ́jú ènìyàn. Sára rẹ̀ lọ rẹ̀. Olùtọ́jú nígbà gbogbo ẹ ṣé o.
Jésù olùtọ́jú ènìyàn.
Sára rẹ̀ o.
Sára rẹ̀ lọ́rẹ́.
Àtúbọ̀jà yé Olódùmarè bàbá mímọ́.
Bàbá olùtọ́jú ènìyàn. Sára rẹ̀ lọ́rẹ́.
Èmi yóò màmá rí orí o. Ọlọ́run mi, ṣùgbọ́n mo rí iṣẹ́ rẹ nínú ayé mi. Èmi yóò màmá rí orí o. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi, ṣùgbọ́n mo rí àánú rẹ nínú ayé mi bàbá o. I have assurance. Ọlọ́run mi bàbá mi mọ̀ wípé ẹ wá. I have assurance. Ọlọ́run mi wípé ẹ wá. Olúwa o.
Èmi yóò rí orí o.
Ọlọ́run mi o.
Ọlọ́run mi, ṣùgbọ́n mo rí iṣẹ́ rẹ̀.
Ṣùgbọ́n mo rí àánú rẹ nínú ayé mi, mo rọwọ́ rẹ nínú ayé mi bàbá mi mọ́.
Èmi yóò rí orí o.
Mo rọ́ lára nínú ayé mi Olúwa o.
Mo rí iṣẹ́ rẹ̀.
Bàbá Olúwa o. Ọlọ́run mi o. Ẹ wà láyé ẹ wà láyé ẹ ò ní padà ọ̀kan ṣoṣo tí mo rí bàbá mi mọ́. Ọlọ́run mi wípé ẹ wá.
Guys, it's not even morning, it's afternoon. You won't believe what the time is. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, guys, and I'm just waking up. I'm so tired. Basically, today is the 18th. This should be my 17th day vlogging, but I'm not sure I'm gonna be uploading today. Today is my daughter's last day in swimming as well, or at swimming. In fact, I really need this rest. Oh my God. In fact, to talk self is tiring. You know, when you're so tired that you can't even talk, that, oh God, your mouth is even tired. Anyway, I've got some fresh things. I've got I'm gonna show you. I'm sure I'm going to Rojo stand up now and at least show you that one before, maybe when I come back. Oh, because it's almost time for swimming. I got shrimps, I got crab. The crab is still alive, you know, and I've not even showed my daughter. I just hope that the crab is not dead yet. Anyway, I got crabs, I got saber fish, I got tilapia. What else? I think that's just it. Yeah, I think that's just a few things that I got because I don't have too much space. Like, my freezer is not that big, so I'm just being conscious of everything, because I'm trying to cook like in bulk and then store, so that by January I don't have to do any cooking or buying anything. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my devotion now, and yeah, don't let me start ranting this morning. We're in swimming already. Swimming! She's just gonna undress. Yeah, I know. So, look at it. Yeah.
It's tight. Wow, my eyes. My nose. Mommy, this thing's too tight. Well, it feels weird and very tight and it's hurting my face.
This is the sea bass fish, and this is a very fresh fish, and this 6 here is 10 pounds from the seafood market, and it's got a lot of scale on there, so I'm just gonna peel out the scale, take out, just clean it basically. So that's what I'm gonna be doing on this one, and then I'll show you the other things. This is my best way of scraping out the scale on fish. So if it's inside the water, it won't just be everywhere. It's just going to be peeling straight inside the water. And then it will be very easy to peel out and clean. If you don't want the scales to be everywhere, just place the fish in the water and then just peel out. And it's easy that way, to avoid everywhere being messy when you clean out the scale. She's gonna be doing the box of vegetables, so she needs to get busy as well. This is division of labor, so all hands have to be on deck. So she's actually doing that because I'm making use of the scissors for now, so she's just gonna be using her hands to pick the vegetables. So when I'm done with whatever I'm doing, then I can help, but for now she's doing this. She's almost done. I think she's almost finished with one bunch. So yeah, well done.
Ṣé ó ṣàmìyàn títí mo fi wá dàgbàlagbà? Ìgbà tí mo rán iṣẹ́ ìyanu rẹ̀ láyé mi, mo wá rí pé ọ̀gá púpọ̀.
these ones here are shrimps. So these ones are fresh shrimps. This in here is like 3 kg. So I'm just gonna rinse them and portion it in the freezer. Yeah, so this 3 kg in here is 18 pounds. I think, yeah, I think this is 18 pounds or thereabout for this 3 kg. So yeah, so I'm just gonna clean it now and then, yeah.